Welcome to Tales by Aatif. Today's story is about a hero who never speaks, yet changes lives in ways no one notices at first. It's a reminder that sometimes the quietest actions carry the loudest impact. In a small town lived a man named Arif. He was ordinary in every way. No fame, no wealth, no special talent. But there was one thing about him. He never spoke much. People thought he was shy, maybe even strange. He walked quietly, worked quietly, and lived quietly. Every morning, Arif would sweep the street outside his house. Not just his own doorstep, but the whole lane. He never asked for thanks. He never told anyone. He just kept working. He simply did it, day after day. One day, a child tripped while running. Because the street was clean, the child didn't fall on broken glass or sharp stones. The mother noticed, but she never knew who had cleaned the street. Arif just smiled silently and walked away. Another time, an old man struggled to carry heavy bags. Arif quietly took the bags, walked with him, and left them at his door. No words, no praise, just a silent act of kindness. Weeks passed, and a quiet change began to settle over the town. People began to feel something different in the town. The street looked cleaner. The air felt lighter. Neighbors started greeting each other more warmly. Children played safely. No one realized that behind all of this was Arif, the silent hero. His actions were invisible, but his impact was everywhere. One evening, a storm hit the town. Trees fell, water flooded the streets, and panic spread. While everyone shouted and ran, Arif quietly picked up fallen branches, guided children to safety, and helped neighbors move their belongings. He never spoke, but his calm presence gave people courage. He worked tirelessly through the night, a silent guardian in the dark. After the storm, the town gathered to thank those who helped. Names were called, praises were given. Arif stood at the back, unnoticed, but deep inside, he felt no need for recognition. His reward was seeing people safe, smiling, and hopeful again. Days later, a young boy asked his father, "Papa, why is that man always helping but never talking?" The father replied, "Son, some heroes don't need words. Their actions speak louder than any speech." The boy thought about it. That day, he picked up trash from the street, just like Arif. Slowly, others began to copy him. The silent hero had started a chain reaction. This is the power of silent heroes. They don't wear capes. They don't stand on stages. They don't seek applause. They simply do what is right, quietly, consistently, and with love. Remember, success and happiness are not always about big achievements or loud victories. Sometimes, the greatest impact comes from small, unnoticed actions. So ask yourself, what silent act of kindness can I do today?